Okay guys, I'm about to start glassing the canopy frame, and today is my first time to start using this carbon fiber. So I made a pattern, and this is a bidirectional carbon fiber, and so I'm cutting it on about as 45-degree angle as I can get. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as it's at a pretty close to 45-degree angle, that should work. So I'm gonna cut that out, and we'll see what carbon fiber, see how it works out. Okay guys, it's 8:30 p.m. I started this layup right around 2 o'clock. So I've been working my rear end off. But I finally got these 6 layers on. Basically it's 2 layers of bidirectional at a 45-degree angle. And then there are 2 layers of carbon fiber bidirectional at a 45-degree angle. And then I put 2 layers of unidirectional, and they're running lengthwise. A lot of work. I'm going to peel ply it and then call it a night. But anyway, it looks pretty good. That ought to be good and strong. I went ahead and brought the carbon fiber all the way back to the cut line here. I'm hoping that'll make the canopy and that part of the turtle deck stronger. Like I said before, I'm going to be using a forward hinge canopy, so I think the strength will be needed. But anyway, let me peel apply this, guys. And then, okay guys, it's about 10 o'clock right now. And I have now peel applied the canopy frame, and turned out pretty good. So another big step out of the way. That was a pretty big layup. Alright guys,